Abby has learned about the 7 continents and the animals that live on the different continents. So now we're going to play a game of concentration called Animals of the World.
Toucan, I think it is. Panda bear.
Okay. My turn. Dachshund, wiener dog. Australia, no match. Europe. Ooh, what's the animal we learned about that lives in Germany, or that's from Germany?
Wiener dog.
A wiener dog. Good job. And so you say.
Wiener dog is from Europe.
Good. Okay, my turn. Toucan.
Did you color it, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I wanted to color.
And a lion. No match.
Okay. Arctica. Let's try right here. Nope. Kangaroo. No match.
Okay. Panda bear. Ooh. Let me try this one. Penguin. Uh-oh. Oops. What did you uncover? Remember, you have to say it so I know.
Toucan, lion.
Africa. Ooh, what animal's from Africa?
Lion.
The lion. Let's see. I think that was right here. Oh yeah, got a match.
Okay. Penguin. Arctica.
Antarctica.
Penguin lives in Arctic.
Antarctica.
And
Go for this one again. Australia. Ooh, who am I looking for? Ooh, South America. Ooh.
panda bear. No one knows.
You gotta tell me what it was.
Toucan.
Toucan? Okay.
They already know it's a toucan.
Yeah, but I didn't see it.
Oh, you didn't see it.
South America. Ooh, toucan. Where are you, toucan? Did I get it?
Yeah.
Toucan is from South America. Your turn.
Kangaroo.
Ooh. What are you looking for?
North America? No. Australia. Yes. Okay, the kangaroo lives in Australia.
Good. Ooh, down to just a few. North America.
Yeah.
The monarch butterfly is from North America.
Okay, panda bear.
Is from where?
Panda bear is from Australia. It's not? Oh, I got one.
Koala bear is from Australia. Panda bear is from Asia.
Uh-oh.
Good job. No, you got it right.
Okay, right?
Adios.
Oh, I thought.